Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up the DCP 9010CN printer or download and install drivers. So first of all, open your browser and then search here your printer name and then click on official website. Now here you can select your window and then click on OK and then click on printer drivers and then download your printer and driver. After download your printer and driver, then open your downloaded files and then install your driver. Now here you can see it will be installed. Now open settings and click on printer and drivers. Now click on add printer and then click on add manually. Now follow these steps to add your printer. Now here you can see my printer will be added. Thanks for watching this video.